Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into QuillBot, paraphrase and edit text easily step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or phone. Type QuillBot.com into the address bar and press enter. Wait for the QuillBot homepage to fully load. Look at the top right corner of the page for the login button. Click Login to open the sign-in screen. Choose the login method you want to use, such as Google, Apple, or email. If you want the fastest option, click Continue with Google. Select the Google account you want to use and allow the permissions if prompted. If you prefer email login, click Continue with email instead. Enter the email address connected to your QuillBot account. Type your QuillBot password carefully, paying attention to uppercase letters. Click the Login or Continue button to sign in. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the login screen. Enter your email and follow the reset link sent to your inbox. After logging in, confirm you see your profile icon or account menu at the top. Click the account menu to verify you are signed in with the correct email. Now go to the Paraphraser tool from the main menu or the homepage buttons. Click inside the input box on the left side. Paste or type the text you want to paraphrase. Select a mode like standard or fluency based on your goal. Adjust the synonym level if that option is available on your plan. Click the Paraphrase button and wait for the result on the right side. Read the output and click any highlighted words to see alternative suggestions. Use the Copy button to copy the rewritten text to your clipboard. Open the grammar checker or co-writer if you also want editing support. Paste your text there and review the suggested fixes one by one. Click Accept on the corrections you want to apply. When you are finished, click your profile icon and choose Log Out if you are on a shared device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.